Here's a quick look at this Leatherman squirt. Obviously used. Got that blue has chipped off in quite a few places, which happens when you're carrying it in your pocket. Got change or whatever in there. But it's still in great shape. Good scissors, no chips or anything out of them. Spring action works great. Everything snaps closed. Everything accessible from the outside without opening it. That's really nice. Got a nice fingernail file with a ruler on the other side. Bottle opener. Phillips standard head. Razor sharp knife blade. Very small standard head, and tucked in here little tweezers. Very cool. It's a nice addition. Anyway, there you have it. Well used Leatherman Squirt S4. Great addition to your keychain.